Welcome to Dojo Lab. In this video, we will build activity number 4. If you have not watched before, I suggest you watch the earlier activities number 01 to number 03. DojoLab-Activity-04. An automatic nightlight using a light sensor and transistor, without using any microcontroller. The goal of this activity is to understand how light can automatically control an electronic circuit. When it is bright, the LED remains off. When it becomes dark, the LED automatically turns on. Let us look at the components used in this activity. We are using one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, one 10K resistor, one C945 NPN transistor, one 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, one LDR, also called a light-dependent resistor, and 3 AA batteries as the power source. This experiment works safely at low voltage. First, we connect the LED and transistor. The long leg of the LED is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The short leg of the LED is connected to a 220 ohm resistor. The other end of the resistor goes to the collector of the C945 transistor. The emitter of the transistor is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Next, we connect the potentiometer, which will control the sensitivity. One outer leg of the potentiometer is connected to battery positive. The middle leg, called the wiper, is connected to the 10K resistor. The other end of the resistor is connected to the base of C945 transistor. The other outer leg is unconnected to the ground. This allows us to control how easily the transistor turns on. You can turn the potentiometer to let the LED turn on and off to make sure that the current flow path is correct. Now we connect the light sensor. The LDR. One leg of the LDR is connected to the base of the transistor, at the same point as the 10K resistor and potentiometer wiper. The other leg of the LDR is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. The LDR will decide whether the transistor should turn on or off. Let us understand how this circuit works. In bright light, the resistance of the LDR becomes low. This pulls the transistor base towards ground, and the transistor turns off. When it becomes dark, the resistance of the LDR becomes high. The base is no longer pulled down. The transistor turns on, and the LED lights up. The potentiometer controls how dark it must be before the LED turns on. Now let us see the circuit in action. When the LDR is exposed to light, the LED remains off. When we cover the LDR, the LED automatically turns on. This is how an automatic nightlight works. This was DojoLab-Activity-04. In this activity, we learned how a sensor reacts to the environment, how a transistor works as an electronic switch, and how automation is possible without programming. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Dojo Lab electronics activities.